If I was to completely build my wardrobe from scratch, these are the items that I will buy first and why. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Treasure Hansen if you're new here. In this channel, I create content surrounding fashion, style, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if that is something you like, please do not leave without subscribing. Join the family, and I really hope that you like it here. Alright guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 key pieces that I will buy if I was to completely start building my wardrobe from scratch. If you are in the process of rebuilding your closet, finding your personal style, wherever it is you're at the moment, these 10 items here are the key pieces that you will need to build a solid capsule wardrobe. So without further ado, let's get right straight into the video. Alright guys, the very first item that I would buy if I was to start building my wardrobe from scratch would be a tailored pant. If you know me, you know that I love me a good tailored pant. One, because it's very versatile. Two, is very stylish, and in my opinion, it matches every lifestyle. Doesn't matter what your lifestyle is, I feel like everyone needs a good tailored pant in their wardrobe. It's very, very effortless, it's very classy, always on trend. I have never seen a tailored pant go out of style. I know personally that you can style tailored pants in so many different ways. There's just a way I feel when I wear a good tailored pant. Tailored pants can be dressed up, it can be dressed down, it's perfect for work, it's perfect for everyday lifestyle. You just have to find one that you're comfortable with. H&M offers tailored pants. I've seen a few bloggers wear tailored pants from Abercrombie and Fitch. Personally, I like to buy my pants from Aritzia. I think I have at least 3 different style pants from Aritzia that are tailored. My very first effortless pant from Aritzia, I got it in 2021, the white one. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I have worn that pant so much. Still looks like new. You can literally style tailored pants with sneakers, you can style them with heels, you can style them with flat. Lately, I have seen people style tailored pants with flip-flops and it still looks good. So tailored pants is one of the key pieces that you need in your wardrobe. Find one that you're comfortable with, one that you like. It doesn't have to be black, it doesn't have to be white. You can buy any color that you like, but black or white is always a good place to start. It's neutral. Tailored pants is definitely one of the key pieces that you need in your wardrobe if you are starting from scratch. So the second key piece of clothing that I think you need in your wardrobe if you were starting from scratch would be a classic t-shirt. I was going to say a classic white t-shirt, but I don't want to limit you to white because I know that it's not everybody that really likes to wear white. Doesn't matter what your lifestyle is, it doesn't matter what you do, a classic t-shirt will always be in style. You can wear a classic t-shirt in any season at all, and you can also style it in so many different ways. You can style it up, you can style it down. Classic t-shirts can go with the first item I mentioned earlier, which was a tailored pant. I love the fact that a classic t-shirt always gives this classy, clean, polished look every time. A few places that I like to get my classic t-shirts from, once again, you can find some from Aritzia. You can also find from H&M. I have one classic tee that I bought from H&M a couple of years ago. It's very good quality. I love it. Personally, don't have anyone from Uniqlo, but I also see people talk about their classic tee. They say it's good quality. And one other place that you can find a good classic t-shirt is COS. It might be a little bit expensive than the one from H&M, but the quality is amazing. I have a couple of those and I am absolutely in love with it. You can style it with a skirt, you can style it with pants, you can style it with shorts, put a blazer on it. As always, go with the color that you like. Personally, I would buy a white one first. I have white, I have blacks, I have stripes, I have colored ones. Whatever matches your style. You can go with the one that is a little bit fitted if that is your style. If you want something that is a little bit boxy, I think the one from Uniqlo is a bit boxy, as well as the one from COS. I personally have both. I have the fitted and the boxy ones, okay? I just wear them and style them different. Yeah, a classic tee is one of the key clothing that you need in your wardrobe if you're starting from scratch and if you're trying to build a capsule wardrobe. The third key piece of clothing that you need in your wardrobe if you're starting from scratch be, I guess you know it, it's coming, a blazer. A blazer, you cannot do without this one, okay? Trust me, a blazer is an instant, classy, elevated piece of clothing that you can throw on absolutely anything. Very, very versatile. And if I say versatile 100 million times in this video, it's because that is exactly what it is, and that is exactly what you need. You can do so much with a blazer. You can put a blazer on a dress, you can put a blazer on a short. The two clothing that I mentioned before now, you can pair them with this blazer and it's going to instantly elevate any outfit. Now, the style of blazer you decide to go for is totally up to you, depending on what your style is. Right now, I am leaning towards the more dad boxy kind of blazer. The one that I have right now that I'm absolutely in love with is the one that I got from Aritzia, but I know you can find a good blazer from H&M. But like I said, depending on what your style is, if you like the more fitted ones, if you like the more boxy ones, you like the really oversized ones, I've seen people style that as well. It just depends on what your style is. But the most important thing is that you need a blazer in your wardrobe, okay? It's just one of those key pieces of clothing that would instantly transform any outfit, anytime, any season. You can count on a blazer. All right, guys, the next item that you need in your closet is a good structured bag. I'm sure you knew this one was coming. Yes, you need a good structured bag in your wardrobe. Personally, I would recommend you go with a medium-sized one, something that is not too small and something that is not too large, because I feel like a good medium-sized structured bag will never go out of style. Like, it looks good on everything. And I would say buy the one that is also versatile, something that has, maybe you can easily use it as a top handle and can also convert to like a crossbody. If you are frequent on this channel, if you know me, you know how much I feel about handbags. I shared a couple of bags on this channel with you, affordable ones, mid-range, something that is not too expensive. Personally, I don't mind spending a little more on handbag. I would say look for one, once again, that matches your style, that you can afford. If you're on a budget, I'll say check H&M. Zara also does handbag. The only thing with this is I don't know how long they are going to last you for. A couple of them would be the Horse, Paris Wang, Coach. How did I forget Coach? Coach has a lot of handbags, a lot of styles, affordable ones. So yeah, do not underestimate the power of a good structured bag in your closet. Even if you want to buy a colorful one, something that, you know, whether you're wearing a basic outfit, you can just, you know, carry it as a pop of color. It's totally up to you. So yes, you definitely need one of those in your wardrobe. Okay, right. So the number 5 piece of clothing that you need in your wardrobe, if you're rebuilding, if you're starting from scratch, is a good pair of jeans. You need one of those in your wardrobe. One that makes you feel like yourself, one that makes you feel comfortable, one that matches your style, whatever that looks like for you. There are different styles of jean out there. There is skinny. I don't know if people are still wearing skinny, straight leg, wide leg, high-waisted, low. There are so many styles of jean out there. Personally, I love a high-waisted jean because it just helps to suck my middle section in. Everything stays in place. I don't like it when my tummy is hanging over my jeans. I don't like that. So I always go with the high-waisted ones. And I also love like the straight leg ones or a little bit of a wide leg. Those are my 2 favorite style of jeans to buy. Definitely buy what fits your budget. There are good quality jeans out there. I know H&M has good jeans. I have a couple from them that I love, Abercrombie and Fitch, and also Levi's. So Levi's is one of my favorite places to buy jeans from. I currently have 2 pair of jeans from Levi's that I love so much. People rave about Zara jean as well. You can once again style jeans in so many ways. You can wear t-shirt with jean, put a blazer on it. There are endless ways that you can style a good pair of jeans. If I'm starting from scratch, I would say go for a light washed first and then maybe slowly add other washes to your collection. You can wear a light washed jean in the winter, you can wear in the summer, in the fall. Do whatever you want, whatever wash fits your style, go for it. The possibilities are endless on what you can do with the jeans, okay? All right, guys, the number 6 item that I will add to my wardrobe if I was starting from scratch would be a good button-up shirt. Now, with this one, it doesn't have to be white. There are different colors of button-up shirts available. What color you decide to go for doesn't matter. I don't know, there's just something about a classic button-up shirt. Like, it screams classy every time. It just looks polished, always looks good on everybody. Once again, very, very versatile. It can be dressed in so many ways, up, down. You can put a blazer on it. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with your tailored pants. You can wear it with short. You can even wear like the t-shirt we talked about earlier and then put a button up on top of it and maybe just leave it open. Whenever you are in doubt, you don't know what to wear, a classic button up shirt will always be that girl every single time. I have the colored ones. I have stripes, plain white one. Places that you can find good button up shirts is Mango. I have a couple from them and they are good quality. H&M. For me, it is a wardrobe staple. So yes, a classic button up shirt is a must. All right, guys, the next item that you need in your wardrobe if you're starting over or building from scratch is a belt. I personally love accessories. I love to accessorize my outfits. I feel like accessories just takes your outfit from here to here. A belt is definitely one of my favorite pieces of accessories. It might be a small, tiny detail, but it definitely makes a lot of difference in your overall look. Belt helps to just pull your outfit together. You can put a belt on a blazer. You can put it on your pants. You can put it on a dress. If you're just just trying to cinch your waist in a little bit, you can do that with a belt. Just trying to add a little bit of detail to give your outfit character, you can add a belt to it. So a belt, it's a must accessory that you need to have in your wardrobe. With your first belt, don't go with something that is super big. Say go with something that's not too small, but then not too big, in the middle, medium size. That way you can put it on a blazer, you can put it on a dress, you can put it on a pant. Because if it's too big, you might be limited to what you can do with it. So I always say stay in the middle. Go with the medium size. One of the places that I also love to get my belt from is Ralph Lauren. They have so many style of belts, beautiful, beautiful belts, and they are good quality. Other places that you can find belts, Zara, H&M, like you can basically find belts anywhere. Even Winners. If you go to Winners, you'll find good belts. I see brand name belts in Winners. Okay, you just need to know what you want. A belt is definitely something that you need in your wardrobe, and it just helps to put your whole outfit together. All right, guys. Yes. So the number 8 item that you need in your closet is a sneaker. Everyone needs a good pair of sneakers in their wardrobe. It doesn't matter what your style is. If you like more of the athletic style of sneakers, there is something for everyone. But a pair of sneakers, you definitely need that in your closet. One that matches your style, one that matches your lifestyle. You can wear a sneakers with a tailored pants. You can wear sneakers with dresses. You can wear sneakers with shorts. You can wear sneakers with sweatpants. Color that you decide to go for, once again, totally up. I would definitely do white. There's just something about a good pair of white sneakers. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's just gonna always give you that cool, elevated. Don't want to do too much. I want to be comfy, but I also want to look classy. I also want to look chic. A sneaker will do that to your outfit. Couple of places that I like to get my sneakers from is Adidas or New Balance. I know there are the Sambas, everyone has it. Sambas just goes with anything. If you like more of a classic style, like I do, there are lots of them as well. Sneakers goes with anything, absolutely anything. Put on a blazer, I mean a suit, a full-on suit, blazer, pants, dressed up, and then you throw on a sneaker. That is a different kind of look entirely. That's one other item that I will add to my closet if I was starting from scratch. All right, guys, the number 9 item that you need in your closet, since we are talking about shoes, we might as well just get this out of the way, is a good pair of loafers. There's just something about loafers. Okay, let me explain. I haven't seen anybody that a good pair of loafers doesn't look good on. It's very versatile. It looks good on anything. Even better if you are a corporate girly, because I don't expect you to be wearing heels to work every day. Maybe some people do, but I definitely wouldn't. Whatever it is that you do, you need a good pair of loafers in your wardrobe. Loafers comes in so many different styles. The ballet ones is your vibe, definitely go for it. There are lots of places that you can find good pair of loafers. I personally have one from Other Stories. I really love this style here from Stud Whitman, and I'm looking forward to adding this to my wardrobe sometime soon. It goes well with anything. Very classy, very chic. I just feel like everyone needs one of this in their wardrobe. Okay, you can find one that matches your budget and your style everywhere, but it's definitely one of the key items that I think you need in your wardrobe. So yes, a good pair of loafers, you definitely need that. All right, guys, the number 10 thing that I would buy if I was starting from scratch, definitely going to be a good everyday jewelry. Accessories, once again, like I said, is something that can make or break your outfit, and in my opinion, accessories is a must. It's part of your dressing. Accessories is something that you have to pay attention to. If you're someone that loves more of a statement jewelry, you definitely need something that you can wear every day, because like I said, you're going to have to accessorize your outfit either way. So you need something that goes with your outfit, that can go with whatever you wear. I personally love dainty jewelries. That is my style, whether that be a watch, you know, rings if you're into rings, whether that be earrings or necklaces. Definitely make sure that you have some of those in your wardrobe. Since it's going to be something that you wear every day, I would say you should invest a little bit more on something that would last. There are a lot of brands out there that sells jewelry that doesn't tarnish, and they are quite affordable as well. But if you are on a budget, you can also find good jewelries that are not too expensive and that will also last. One of the places that I've bought jewelry in the past, like I said, is Ana Luisa. There's Medjewelry, there's Monica Vinader. For wristwatches, Fossil is one good place that you can buy affordable wristwatches and they last. But yeah, a good everyday jewelry is definitely something that you want to invest in when it comes to putting together your outfit. You can never underestimate the power of accessories. Whatever that looks like for you is up to you. A good everyday jewelry is a must. And that is it, guys. So those are the 10 items that I will purchase or I would add to my wardrobe first if I was starting from scratch, if I'm trying to build a capsule wardrobe. If you start with these 10 foundational key items, in my opinion, in no time you'll be able to build a wardrobe that works for you, that you love, and that works with your lifestyle. Let me know what other pieces you think you would add to your wardrobe as well. So I really hope that this video was helpful. Please subscribe if you're not. Like this video. Thank you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.